Hello and welcome back to Split Hour Farm, where today we're going to show you a cheap and easy automated watering system for your chickens. So let's get to it. For this you're going to need a bucket of some type, doesn't matter what kind, but you're going to want at least 5 gallons so that you don't have to repeatedly fill this up. So you're going to take the 5-gallon bucket. Your waterers will link below where you can get these nice and easy, and a 3/8 bit threader, as well as a 5/8 inch drill bit. So you're going to choose equal placement or wherever you want, it doesn't need to be perfect, around the bucket, and drill 3 holes because I'm going to make 2 of them with 3 waterers on each. So when you're drilling this, you're going to want to do it at least 1 inch or 2 above the bottom, and what that's going to do is collect the sediment on the bottom. Also, it's going to give space for this to hang over, and if you put it down, it's not going to break off. We're going to put the buckets on top of a brick so that it is a better height for them to drink out of, and you get the most water. So, all right, so now that we have that hole drilled, we're going to get the threader. You want to make sure that you're not pushing too hard and like ripping the threads out, and just a nice slow scenario here. The purpose of the threading is so that there's the extra ease of sliding this in with more tightness around the actual seal, so that we're not going to have spilling water out. If you just had it going sliding in and out, it would be more room for a seal to break. So after you drill your holes, you're going to want to go in there with sandpaper and make sure it's smooth so it has a nice tight seal. So now we're going to take our threaded item and thread it on. Okay. So once you feel the resistance, you don't want to keep threading, otherwise you're going to go right through. And now on the back side, we're going to put in the nipple, the seal. Cool. So there you have it, your 3 watering system. We're just gonna spray it off so that none of the excess rubber from when we were sanding it off, it still is in there, and then we'll fill it up with water and give it to the chickens. Start on the next one. Once you fill it with water, now all you gotta do is put it on its pedestal. Come on. Watch out, bud. Excuse me, miss. So the reason we like these watering nipples are it's very easy for the chickens to find the water. Once you put a little water in there and they find it for the first time, then they're gonna go back all the time for their water there. And we've had a lot of success with the chickens having no problem using these. Another reason is they're detachable, so you can swap them out for another one if they do break, which makes it convenient considering the price of them is very low. Got a lot of thirsty birds in here, so we'll see you again next time. We're going to finish up making some more of these.